everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude network connection error. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is working properly. Try loading a website to confirm your connection, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Next, turn airplane mode on for a few seconds. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. Then restart your phone and open the Claude app again. You can also clear the app cache on Android by going to Settings, Apps, selecting Claude, tapping Storage and clearing cache. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Claude and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. That's how you fix it.